Okay, students, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. Today we are discussing about problem number 3, students. This chapter is retirement of partner. This retirement of partner have first problem and second problem completed. Now today we are going to problem number 3. Okay, now it is also retirement of partner. So let us see what is the question given here. First of all, Ajay, Vijay and Vinay were partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020. Okay, liabilities. Creditors 20,000, bills payable 26,000, general reserves 24,000, capital Ajay 60,000, Vijay 40,000, Vinay 30,000. Okay, now students. So total liabilities is 2 lakhs rupees is there. Now bank 5,000 rupees, debitors 40,000, stock 30,000, plant and machinery 50,000, furniture 10,000, buildings 55,000, goodwill 10,000. Total assets is 2 lakhs rupees is there. Now Vinay, who is he? Mr. Vinay retains on the above date on the following. Goodwill is prime value at 50,000. Goodwill value is how much here? 50,000 rupees is goodwill value. Now second one is appreciate building 20%. Appreciate buildings value is in what sense here? 20%. Appreciate buildings value is 20% students. Now next one is create provision for bad debits 1,000 rupees. Create provision for bad debits is a direct amount of 1,000 rupees given here directly. Now next one, depreciate plant and machinery is 10,000. Depreciate on plant and machinery value we can deduct 10%. Now Ajay and Vinay bring a cash 25,000 rupees, 19,300 towards additional capital to pay the amount due to retired partner Vinay. Meaning ikkada retired partner ఎవరైతే వినయ్ అనే పార్ట్నర్ రిటైర్ అవుతున్నారు కాబట్టి అతనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి అమౌంట్ తక్కువ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో అజయ్ అండ్ వినయ్ రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్నర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో దట్ బోత్ పార్ట్నర్స్ కెన్ బ్రింగ్ ద క్యాష్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ 25,000 rupees Ajay and 19,300 rupees is Vinay bring the cash amount in the business. Okay now students, this means what business have come by cash here. So this cash is coming now. What we are doing? We are doing the cash or bank account. Okay friends, here is a cash is coming in the business now. That's why we are preparing the cash or bank account also. Okay now friends. Now next one is what given, let us see. So this is a completely Ajay, Vijay and Vinay 3 members partners is there. These partners have Vinay isn't retired. So remaining 2 members can bring the cash amount 25,000 rupees and 19,300 rupees is there. Okay now friends. So this account have this problem have and we can do which accounts is a first one is revaluation account, next one is goodwill account, next one is cash or bank account and partners capital account and another one is what so that is an only students. That's all amounts all accounts we can doing now. Okay, now let us take first of all revaluation account. Okay friends, first of all we are going to prepare the first account is a revaluation account. Okay. particulars, amount, particulars and amount. Okay, write down here revaluation account. Okay, here is a credit, here is a debit. Write down here particulars, amount and particulars, amount. This is a revaluation account. This revaluation account have we can record only for assets value increasing and decreasing, liabilities value increasing and decreasing. We can record into revaluation account. Asset value is an increasing, we can record into credit side. Asset value is an decreasing, we can record into debit side. Now what given in adjustment? Let us say goodwill is prime value 50,000. This is we can record into goodwill account. Next one is what? Appreciate buildings 20,000. Appreciate means what we are increasing the building value. So then we can record into which side it is in a credit side. By buildings account. By buildings account. What is the value of buildings? Let us say 55,000. 55,000 rupees into 20 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Okay now, so 200, 200, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. What is the increasing value? Buildings value is 55,000. Okay. Now next one is what? Let us say create provision for bad debits 1,000 rupees. Create provision for bad debits. It is amount is given directly 1,000 rupees of bad debits. So debitors value is decreasing. Then we can record into debit side. Write down here 2 bad debits. 2 bad debits. This value is we can write directly 1,000 rupees. Now next one is depreciate plant and machinery. Okay now. So here is a plant and machinery is a 10% depreciate that. Write down here to plant and machinery account. Okay now, what is the value of plant and machinery? 50,000 rupees. It is the rate of 10 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Remaining is what is the value? 5,000 rupees. The value is in what sense here? 5,000. Now we are doing the total anyone is there here. Depreciate plant and machinery over. Trade provision for bad debits over. And appreciate building season also completed. Now which side is in heavy balance? Credit side is in heavy balance. Now we are doing the revaluation profit. Let us write down here to revaluation profit. So let us say total amount of credit side is 11,000 rupees. Okay, so that means total debit minus credit equals to revaluation profit. Okay, that means 11,000 rupees minus 5 plus 1 6,000 rupees. That is equal to what stands here? 5,000. So revaluation profit is 5,000 rupees. Now the total value is in what? 11,000 rupees is there. Okay now. So revaluation profit is in what stands here? 5,000 rupees is the revaluation profit. Okay. Now it is incomplete. Now we are going to next account is what? Goodwill account. It is incomplete, friends. Now we are going to next account is goodwill account. Debit and credit. Write down here goodwill account. Goodwill account. Okay. Here we can write particulars, amount, particulars, amount, isn't it? This is a goodwill account. What is the goodwill value, students? Here 50,000. Total business have a no goodwill value is in 50,000. Okay, now so already old balance sheet have an how much amount here? 10,000 rupees is there. That means goodwill opening balance is what? 10,000. So remaining how much value we can create here? Already old balance sheet have given 10,000 rupees. So adjustment haven't given here clearly. Goodwill is prime value 50,000. That means what? Business లో goodwill value only 50,000 మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్ మనకు అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. సో ఆల్రెడీ 10,000 rupees is an old balance sheet have an now we can create how much goodwill here? 40,000. That 40,000 rupees goodwill we can distribute to old partners. So assets balance sheet assets are given goodwill is an we can take a balance breakdown, so it is in. So let us write down here to balance breakdown. Balance breakdown. The value is in what stands here? 10,000 rupees goodwill already is there. Now we can take who is he? Mr. 2 Ajay Capital. Ajay Capital account. What is the ratio stands here given? 5:3:2. This is the ratio. Now what is the goodwill we can take now? 40,000 rupees only. Why? Because 10,000 rupees already given now. That's why 40,000 rupees into 5/10. Okay now 0 to 0 cancel. 4 5s are 20. So Ajay have an 20,000 rupees. Okay. Now next one is Vijay Capital account 40,000 rupees into at the rate of 3/5. 5 ones are 3/10. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 3s are 12. 12,000 rupees is in Vijay. Now next one is me to Vinay Capital account. So what is the value of goodwill? 40,000 rupees into at the rate of 2/10. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 2s are 8. 8,000 rupees is Mr. Vinay. Okay, now students, 20,000, 12,000 and 80,000. So we are doing the total amount of goodwill. What is the total amount, students? Here let us see. That is 50,000 rupees. Total goodwill value is what? 50,000. Now we are buying balance carried on. What is the debit total goodwill offside? 50,000 rupees is not. That 50,000 we can write balance carried on. Why? Because credit side is any partner is not take out the goodwill on the prime. That's why we can write 50,000. So total amount is what, students? Here 50,000 rupees. Okay, now we can write to balance breakdown 50,000 rupees. This 50,000 rupees goodwill we can write in a new balance sheet asset side. Okay now students, so this is a goodwill account. Goodwill account is also completed. Now we are going to cash or bank account. Why? Because cash is comes in the business now. That's why we can write cash or bank account. So first debit and credit, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Write down here cash or bank account. Okay now. So cash or bank account have an opening balance is there. That opening balance is on which side? Asset side. So So what is the opening balance of bank? 5,000 rupees given. So bank 5,000 rupees given. The amount we can take opening balance. Write down to balance breakdown 5,000 rupees. What is the amount of that? 5,000. Now Ajay and Vinay bring a cash amount of 25,000 and 19,300. Okay, write down to Ajay. So Ajay capital account, the value is 25,000. Next one to who is he? Vinaya, Vijay. Ajay and Vijay bring cash amount 25,000. Vijay, okay na? To Vijay capital. Vijay capital account 19,300. Ajay can bring 25,000 and Vijay can bring 19,300 students here. Okay na? So which purpose is bring the cash? Vinay is in return na. That partner haven't given the cash amount of retiring partner. That's why he can bring 25,000 and 19,300. So business can giving by cash only. Okay na? That's why we cannot prepare here partner's cap loan account. Why? Because those are giving immediately payment of Vinay capital. Okay students. Now we are going to next account is a partner's capital account. We cannot close that after capital account we can close that one. Okay students. So first here is a particulars. Ajay, Vijay and Vinay. Particulars Ajay and Vijay and Vinay. This is the partner's capital account format. Now we can write here partners capital accounts. Okay now we can write left side is in debit, right side is in credit. Okay, is in particulars. Who is he? Ajay. First one is Ajay and Vijay and Vinay. Ajay, Vijay and Vinay. At the same time, particulars. Ajay, Vijay and Vinay. These are the partners capital account format. This partners capital account have an open. You can take the opening balances and which student it is an credit side. You can take the opening balance. Write down here by balance breakdown. What is the opening balance of Ajay? 60,000 and Vijay have an 40,000 and Vinay have an 30,000. This is the opening balances of partners capital. Okay, now we can take next one is by goodwill account. Goodwill account. What is the value of goodwill students here? That is 50,000 rupees goodwill. We can distribute to 20,000, 12,000 and 8,000 rupees. Let's write down Ajay having 20,000, Vijay having 12,000 and Vinay having 8,000. Okay. Now next one is the general reserves. General reserves, what is the ratio we can distribute? 5:3:2. We can distribute to ratio 5:3 ratio. We can distribute to general reserves. What is the value of general reserves? 24,000 into the rate of 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. 3 members is there now. The 3 members per having you can distribute. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 0 cancel. So 500, 500, 5 4s are 20. So 5 to the 10 plus 1, 12. Okay now. Now 12,000. The same time 30 0 30 0. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 7,200. The same time 200 200 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4,800, 7,200 and 12,000 rupees is there. Okay now. Now next one is by revolution profit. Profit and loss not given here. Revolution profit, isn't it? What is the revolution profit? 5,000 rupees. Into the ratio is 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. Same zeros cancel and 0 cancel. 5 5s are 25, 2,500. Now 5 3s are 1,500, 5 2s are 10, 1,000 rupees. 2,500, 1,500 and 1,000 rupees is there. Now next one, by cash account. By cash account, it is what? Additional capital. Additional capital. Who can bring additional capital? Ajay and Vijay. What is the amount of additional capital? 25,000 rupees is an Ajay and 19,300 is an Vijay. So Vinay not bring the additional capital. Why? Because he is retained from the business. Okay students. Now we are doing the total amount here. 0 0 8. 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 14 13 3 plus 1 4 43,800 and 0 0 5 3 plus 5 8 8 plus 2 10 10 11 18 plus 2 20 4 1 5 5 1 6 to 7 70,000 rupees. Wait, 4 4 8 now. 4 plus 4 8 80,000. 0 0. Here is an 5. 2 plus 2 4. Oh, not coming now. 5 plus 2 7. 4 7 plus 2 9. Can bring 25,500 students here. Yeah, 25,500 you can bring. Who is he? Mr. Ajay. Bring the capital amount is 25,500. So 0 here. 4 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 9 plus 1 10. 6 8 9 12. 1,20,000 rupees only. 1,20,000. Okay, this is the total amount of Ajay, Vijay and Vinay. Okay, now let us write who is the retained here. Mr. Vinay is the retained now. So then we can write Vinay loan account. Loan account. That amount is what? That amount is 43,800 rupees. That amount is 43,800 rupees. Now we can write to balance carried on. Balance carried on. What is the balance carried amount? Ajay having 1,20,000 rupees and Vijay having 80,000 rupees. Isn't it? Ajay having 1,20,000, Vijay having 80,000 rupees is there. Okay. Now doing the total amount is what here? That is Vinay having 43,800 and Vijay having 80,000 and Ajay having 1,20,000. Okay. Now we can write here by balance breakdown. Who is he? Ajay and Vijay. So Ajay having 1,20,000 and Vijay having 80,000 rupees. So Vinay is retained from the business. Now presently opening balance is only two members, Ajay and Vijay. Okay friends. Now this is the partner's capital amount. How much amount he can take out the business? Vinay 43,800 rupees is there. Okay now that amount we can write to cash account having by Vinay capital account. Vinay capital account. That amount is what? 43,800 rupees. Okay. Now we are doing the total amount of 0, 0, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 9, 19, 2, 3 and 4. 49,800 rupees. Total amount is 49,800. Now we can bring the balance carried on by balance carried on. Total debit minus total credit equals to carried on. What is the debit total? 49,800 minus here is 43,800. Remaining value is what? 6,000 rupees. So remaining cash amount is only 6,000 rupees is there. Total amount is 49,800. Now let us write down to balance breakdown only 6,000 rupees amount of cash account have. Isn't it? Why? Because this amount is Mr. Vinay is retained from the business. That amount we can giving the directly. So directly means what? We are not giving amount pending loan. That is we can giving the direct cash amount. That's why we can record from the cash account credit side. Why? Because cash is goes out the business now. That's why we can record it to cash or bank account have a credit side. That amount is 43,800 and Vijay and Vinay bring the 25,500 and 19,300 rupees is there. Okay now student. So this is a revolution account, goodwill account, cash or bank account and partners capital account. Student it is. Now we are going to next account is what? It is a balance sheet. Okay. Here is in liabilities, amount rupees, assets and amount rupees. Okay students, this is a new balance sheet. Write down here debit and credit. Sorry, this is a balance sheet student. Have no debits and no credits. Write down new balance sheet New balance sheet. Write down here liabilities. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Okay, assets and amount. Now we are taking the first is you can record the new balance having liability side. So let us say first what given here. So question is 4 having given a old balance sheet. We can compare to old balance sheet and new balance sheet friends here. Which first one is what given creditor side, liability side given creditors. That amount is given what 20,000. Creditors value is in 20,000. Next bills payable. That value is given 26,000. Bills payable value is in 26,000. Now next one is general reserves. Already we can record in the partners capital account, that is in. Okay. Now next one is capitals. Capitals before having already we can give the cash amount of Mr. Vinay. Okay, that's already we are giving the amount of directly cash Vinay capital here 43,800 now. That's why we are giving the direct cash amount. That's why we cannot write in a new balance sheet liability side. For example, we are not giving the direct cash amount, then we can write balance sheet liability side partners loan account here. So we are not preparing partners loan account. Directly we can prepare the cash account. Why? Because whose partner is retained from the business, that partners haven't given the cash amount now. That's why we cannot write in a liability side. Okay. Now let us capitals. What is the amount of capitals? Mr. Who is he? Mr. Ajay and Vijay. So what is the value of Ajay? 1,20,000 rupees Ajay and 80,000 rupees is Vinay. Okay friends, Ajay and Vijay, we can take the capitals. Now we are going to asset side. First one is what given here, bank account. Bank, what is the bank value here? Balance right, what showing there? 6,000 rupees. The 6,000 rupees amount we can write here. 6,000 cash account. Next debitors. The value is 40,000 rupees friends. So bad debits is what given there? 1,000 rupees given now. That amount we can less that. Minus bad debits 1,000 rupees. Remaining value is 39,000. Now next one is stock. So stock strength is there. Stock having any adjustment is there. Stock having no adjustment. The amount is 30,000 rupees. Stock amount is 30,000. Now next one is plant and machinery. The value is 50,000 rupees is there. Plant and machinery value is what? 50,000 minus depreciation. There is we are calculating the 10% depreciation on plant and machinery. We can less that. Write down here. Depreciation amount is 5,000 rupees. Remaining value 45,000. Okay. Now next one is what? Furniture. Any adjustment is there? Furniture have no adjustment. The amount is 10,000 rupees. Furniture value is what? 10,000. Next one is buildings. Buildings amount is what? 55,000. Okay, students. Now increasing the value of buildings is how much? 11,000 rupees buildings value is an increasing na. Then we can add to buildings plus increasing 11,000 rupees. Total value is 66,000. Okay. Now finally goodwill. Goodwill account have goodwill value is what? 50,000 rupees. That amount we can take here 50,000. Okay, friends. Now this is all assets and all liabilities. We can record in the liability side and asset side, friends. Okay, let us see. First of all, goodwill amount is given the old balance sheet have 40,000 rupees only. Old balance sheet have we can given the 40,000 rupees. The value is increasing now. So we can write this one also 10,000 rupees plus increasing 40,000, isn't it? Total amount is what here? 50,000 rupees is there. So that's why goodwill value is 50,000. So buildings is 55,000. Already 10,000 rupees increasing now. That's why total amount is 66,000. Now plant and machinery have depreciate 5%. The value we are deducting 50,000 after 45 comes in. Now bad debt is also 1,000 rupees is given revaluation account haven. That amount also we can less it comes here 39,000. Okay, students. Now we are doing the total of liabilities and assets. Let us see. First one 0, second one 0, and third one 0. Fourth one 6 only. Fifth one 2. 8 plus 2, 10, 2, 12, 2, 14, and here 2 lakhs 46,000 rupees is there. What is the amount it is 2 lakhs 46,000. Okay, now we are doing the total amount of asset side 0, 0, here is also 0. Now here is 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, oh here is 6,000 now. 6 plus 9, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 6, 26, 3, 3, 9, 10, 4, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 2 lakhs 46,000 rupees is an assets and 2 lakhs 46,000 rupees is an liabilities, friends. Okay now, so just listen to me once again. So this cash is an additional capital. Who can bring this additional capital? Mr. Ajay and Vijay can bring the 19,300 and 25,500. Why he can bring the additional capital? Mr. Vinay is retained from the business now. That purpose he can give the cash amount to Vinay. That purpose he can bring the additional capital. Okay now, that's why we are preparing the cash or bank account. So he is not, we can prepare the loan account of Mr. Vinay. Why? Because directly cash payment given na. That's why we cannot prepare loan account. We cannot pay the cash account. That's time we can prepare the retained partners loan account here. Directly given cash amount. That's why we can prepare cash book. We cannot given the cash amount. We can prepare the loan account to retained partner. Okay now, so directly given that's why we can record into cash account having Vinay capital 43,800 rupees. That is it. So here is a Vinay loan account 43,800. Why? Because this 43,800 rupees is take out from the Vinay. That's why we are showing the 43,800 rupees is there. Okay, friends. Now anyone is there? So Ajay have 1,20,000, Vijay have 80,000. How many partners is there here? New balance sheet have only 2 members. That is Ajay and Vijay only two members partners is their students. Okay now students, so this is the problem number 3. Problem number 3 is in completed students. It is also one of the retired of partners. Retirement of partners have a third problem is completed students. Okay, tomorrow onwards we will complete discussing about next fourth problem. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much.